side stack. All the way other end of the field. He's got a door open, kind of facing towards me. Center! 2 guys in there! Fuck! Hold that.